Hey everyone, welcome back to 19 Sarge 72. It's great to have you here with us today. Whether you're a long-time subscriber or a new visitor, we appreciate you taking the time to join us. You know, sometimes the quietest guy in the room has the loudest mind. It's fascinating how much depth and creativity can be found in those moments of silence. And that's cool. Being an introvert isn't a weakness. It's like a superpower. It's a unique way of experiencing the world, one that allows for deep reflection and profound insights. So today we're celebrating those superpowers. We're going to explore the incredible strengths that come with being an introvert, and why it's something to be proud of. We're diving deep into 10 reasons why being an introvert is something to be proud of. From their ability to focus deeply on tasks, to their knack for creative problem solving, introverts have a lot to offer. One of the most remarkable traits of introverts is their ability to focus deeply. When an introvert sets their mind to something, they can immerse themselves completely, often producing exceptional results. This deep focus allows introverts to excel in creative fields. Whether it's writing, painting, or designing, their ability to concentrate and think deeply leads to innovative and original work. Another strength of introverts is their self-awareness. Spending time alone allows them to understand themselves better, leading to personal growth and a strong sense of identity. Introverts are also great listeners. They take the time to really hear what others are saying, which makes them empathetic and understanding friends. Their ability to listen and empathize makes introverts excellent problem solvers. They can see different perspectives and come up with thoughtful solutions. Introverts often have a rich inner world. Their imagination and creativity are boundless, leading to unique ideas and perspectives that can inspire others. They also value deep connections. Introverts may have fewer friends, but the relationships they do have are meaningful and long-lasting. Introverts are often very independent. They are comfortable being alone and can entertain themselves without needing constant social interaction. This independence allows them to be self-sufficient and resourceful, qualities that are highly valuable in both personal and professional settings. So, if you're an introvert, embrace it. Your quiet strength, deep focus, and rich inner world are incredible assets. Celebrate your superpowers and know that you have so much to offer the world. Thanks for joining us today on 19 Sarge 72. Until next time, take care and keep embracing your unique strengths. Ever find yourself lost in thought, like really lost? Introverts are all about that deep dive. They're the ones who think before they speak, who analyze every angle. It's not about being shy, it's about being thorough. They're the chess players, the strategists, the ones who see the whole board. In a world that can't stop talking, introverts are the listeners. They are the ones who sit back and absorb every word, every nuance, every emotion. While others may be quick to speak, introverts take the time to truly understand. They process, they reflect, and they respond with thoughtfulness and care. And trust me, that's a gift. It's a rare and precious ability to be able to listen without the need to immediately interject, to offer a space where others feel safe to share their thoughts and feelings. This gift of listening can transform relationships, build trust, and create deep connections. They're the ones who make you feel heard, who give you their undivided attention. In a world full of distractions, this is no small feat. They lean in, they nod, they give you the space to express yourself fully. And in doing so, they make you feel valued and understood. Who actually remember what you said. They recall the details, the stories, the emotions you shared. They remember because they care. This ability to remember and reflect back on past conversations shows a level of engagement and empathy that is truly special. They're the friends you go to for advice, the confidants, the ones you trust with your deepest secrets. They listen without judgment, offering a compassionate ear and thoughtful insights. Their advice is often profound because it comes from a place of deep understanding and genuine concern, the shoulders to cry on, because listening, that's a superpower too. It's a superpower that can heal wounds, mend broken hearts, and provide comfort in times of need. It's a superpower that can make the world a better place, one conversation at a time. So, let's celebrate the excellent listeners in our lives. Let's appreciate their gift and strive to be more like them. Because in a world that can't stop talking, we need more listeners. Introverts get a bad rap for being in their heads. But you know what? That's where all the good stuff happens. Self-reflection, understanding your strengths and weaknesses, that's how you grow. Introverts are masters of their own domains, always striving to be better versions of themselves. Building meaningful relationships. Introverts may not have a ton of friends, but the ones they have, solid gold. They're all about quality over quantity, deep connections, real conversations, the kind of friendships that last a lifetime. That's the introvert way. Independent. You know that feeling of being completely comfortable in your own skin? Introverts, they've mastered it. They don't need constant validation. They're good with their own company. They're the solo travelers, the entrepreneurs, the ones who forge their own paths. Calm in crisis. When the world's going crazy, introverts are the eye of the storm. They don't panic, they think things through. They're the calm in the chaos, the voice of reason, the ones who can handle anything. Thoughtful communicators. Introverts don't just blurt things out, they weigh their words, they choose them carefully. They're the writers, the poets, the ones who can say more with less. Their words have impact because they come from a place of thoughtfulness. Creative problem solving. Introverts see the world a little differently. They're the innovators, the ones who think outside the box. They're not afraid to challenge the status quo, to come up with new solutions. They're the artists, the inventors, the ones who make the world a more interesting place. Life throws curveballs. It's how you handle them that matters. Introverts, they bounce back. They take the time to process, to learn, to grow. They're not afraid of a little adversity, it only makes them stronger. In a world of distractions, introverts have this superpower focus. They can hone in on a task and block out the noise. They're the ones who get things done, the achievers, the ones who make their dreams a reality. Proud to be an introvert. So there you have it. 10 reasons why being an introvert is something to be celebrated. It's about depth, it's about thoughtfulness, and it's about embracing who you truly are. Introverts often find joy in the little things, like a quiet evening with a good book or a peaceful walk in nature. They have a unique ability to focus deeply on their passions and interests, which often leads to incredible creativity and innovation. Whether it's writing in a journal, meditating alone, or simply enjoying their own company, introverts have a special way of finding peace and contentment within themselves. It's about marching to the beat of your own drum. Introverts don't feel the need to conform to societal expectations. They are comfortable in their own skin and confident in their choices. They understand the value of solitude and use it as a time for reflection and personal growth. Walking alone in a bustling city, hiking on a serene trail, or dancing alone at home, introverts find joy in their own company and are not afraid to stand out from the crowd. They know that true happiness comes from within, and that it's okay to be different, and that's pretty cool. Being an introvert means having the courage to be yourself, even when it goes against the grain. It's about finding strength in your own uniqueness, and celebrating the qualities that make you who you are. Introverts often have a quiet confidence that shines through in everything they do. They may not be the loudest in the room, but their presence is always felt. People cheer with joy when they see someone being true to themselves, and introverts are a perfect example of that. Giving a thumbs up to life, they embrace their individuality and inspire others to do the same. Keep on being awesome, introverts. Your unique perspective and talents are what make the world a richer, more diverse place. Whether you're working on a creative project, playing an instrument alone, or painting in a studio, your contributions are invaluable. Introverts often bring a fresh, thoughtful approach to everything they do, and their work is a testament to their dedication and passion. So keep pursuing your interests and sharing your gifts with the world. Your quiet strength and creativity are needed now more than ever. The world needs your unique perspective. Introverts have a way of seeing things that others might miss. They notice the details, appreciate the beauty in the small moments, and often have a deep understanding of the world around them. Whether you're looking through a telescope, sketching in a notebook, or contemplating nature, your insights and observations are invaluable. So, embrace your introverted nature and continue to share your unique perspective with the world. You have so much to offer, and the world is a better place because of you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content celebrating the unique qualities that make us who we are. Thank you for watching.